Nowadays, motorcycle company developed more than 200 horsepower and 200 mile per hour bike. These are the top 10 fastest bikes till 2021 in the world. Number 10. Honda CBR 1000 RR Fireblade. It is a Japanese motorcycle with great power, with efficiency and stability. It has multiple new generation electronic systems, such as different driving mode or electronic brake regulation. Its weight 448 pounds. It has a 1000cc engine with 215 horsepower and 83 Nm torque. It can reach top 185 km per hour and reach 0 to 60 miles only in 3 seconds. Its fuel tank 4.2 gallon capacity. Its approximate price is $30,000. Number 9. Ducati Superleggera V4. It is an exclusive Italian motorcycle only manufactured 500 pieces. The chassis is made with titanium and magnesium carbon fiber. The wheelbase is 58 inches and weight is 335 pounds. It has a 998cc engine and 224 horsepower and it produces 85 Nm torque. The top speed of Superleggera is 185 miles per hour. It reaches 0 to 60 only in 3 seconds. The fuel capacity of this Superleggera is 4.2 gallons and approximately price is $138 USD. Number 8. Yamaha YZF R1. It is a highly equipped new generation limited edition motorcycle. It has electronic suspension system and allows different driving modes by adjusting electronic control system. Weight of this bike is 445 pounds with 80 inches length. It has 998cc engine with 200 horsepower and it produces 83.4 pound torque. It reaches maximum speed 186 miles per hour. 0 to 60 it takes time only 3.3 seconds. The fuel capacity of Yamaha YZF R1 4.5 gallon and the price is approximately $36,000. Number 7. Suzuki Hayabusa. This is the 2021 updating motorcycle of Japanese motorcycle. This is the third generation motorcycle of Hayabusa. It has electronic component system. It measures in 85 inches in length and 582 pound weight. It has 1042cc engine with 190 horsepower and torque is 110 Nm. Top speed of Hayabusa is 186 miles per hour. From 0 to 60 it takes 3.1 seconds. Price is $26 and $500,000 USD. Number 6. Augusta F4 Hamilton Lewis Edition. It is an Italian motorcycle which collaborates with motorsport racer Lewis Hamilton. Only 44 unit bike produced by Augusta. It has exclusive suspension system. It measures in 83 inches in length and weight 403 pounds. It has 998cc engine with 212 horsepower. It produces 83 pound torque. Top speed of Augusta 187 miles per hour. 0 to 60 it takes only 2.9 seconds. The price of this Augusta is $78,000. Number 5. Aprilia RSV4. It is a high-performance Italian motorcycle categorized by aerodynamic design. It has new generation electronic system made with aluminum, titanium and carbon fiber. It measures 80 inches in length and weight 390 pounds. It has 1100cc engine with 217 horsepower. It produces 92.4 pound torque. It can run maximum more than 189 miles per hour. From 0 to 60 it takes 3.1 seconds. Approximate price is $26,000. Number 4. BMW 1000RR. It is the new German technology racing motorcycle which is allowed in public road. It has carbon fiber spoiler which helps to traction for stability for road. In length is 81 inches long and weight is 423 pounds. It has a 999cc engine with 212 horsepower and torque 83.4 pounds. Top speed in 193 miles per hour. 0 to 60 it takes 3.1 seconds. The BMW 1000RR price is approximate $40,000. Number 3. Super Racing MMX 500. It is a competition motorcycle designed by former Swiss motor racer Suter. It developed by two-stroke engine with latest technology. It measures 85 inches in length and weight 280 pounds. It has 570cc engine with 195 horsepower and torque is 75 pounds. Top speed 192 miles per hour. 0 to 60 takes less than 3 seconds. In total, production of this bike is 99 units. Approximate price is $120,000. Number 2. Hyper Sports SS. It is new generation electric motorcycle manufactured in Canada. It scans the road by sensor and produces data of road safety. It has 55 inches wheelbase and weight is 500 pounds. Engine capacity is 200 horsepower and 147 torque Newton meter can produce. Top speed is 200 miles per hour and 0 to 60 it takes less than 3 seconds. In 2020 it will launch. Approximately price $25,000. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja S2R. It is a high-performance motorcycle developed by Kawasaki Motor Japan. It has great acceleration capacity. It measures 80 inches in length with 476 pounds. It has 998cc engine with 310 horsepower. It can produce 150 pound-power of torque. Maximum speed of Kawasaki Ninja S2R is 248 miles per hour. 0 to 60 takes less than 3 seconds. The price of Kawasaki Ninja S2R is approximately $66,000. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a comment if you have a suggestion. Take care and always wear a helmet while riding.